let him deal with it.
Right.
And he didn't sub anybody in for like the last like quarter or like the last like 6 minutes. His kids were like dragging, and he has all these kids on the bench. And he played like 10, 12 kids because they were all bad. It didn't matter which ones you put in. And I'm like watching, I'm like, and he was like timeout, balls out of bounds, come back, and he kept sending the same kids out there. And I'm like, why? Like maybe they did something and he's like proving a point. I don't know, but I'm gonna let him do it. And then they went to like, I think they went to I don't know if they went to overtime, but he ended up like, it was like a heartbreaker, and then they lost. And his kids were like, the kids on the bench were like angry and confused. The kids who were playing were like, couldn't even talk because they were like exhausted and like lost and they were miserable. And I'm like,
The game won't
so I
start.
think I'm like, well,